friends, today we're going to be talking about door knocking. We usually like to door knock on a weekly basis around the open houses that we have. And why, you ask? Two reasons. One, we're letting the neighbors and neighborhood know about our listing, whether it's new or it's been on the market. And they may have friends or relatives who might want to move into that home. And so it's a great way to stir up conversations about that home that you're going to be at during that open house on the weekend. That's number one, why we love doing open houses. Number two is we love to see if people would like to know what the market's doing. And so it's a great face-to-face kind of soft call of being able to see if there are neighbors in the marketplace who really don't have a relationship with an agent. Certainly we want to respect that, but sometimes they're just wondering what their home values are, and they may be moving in 5 years, but they just want an immediate up-to-the-minute market analysis. So number two, it's people want a market analysis, and so we're there to offer the free service of that, and it is complimentary always with no obligation. Number three reason why we love door knocking is that it is a great way to just meet people, and face-to-face is always way more fun than dialing for dollars on the phone, talking to people I don't know. So I love door knocking because I get to meet people on a one-on-one basis usually. I also get to see all these beautiful homes. So that's also a bonus on number three of door knocking people I don't know. And number four, I also, by walking the neighborhood and knocking on 100 doors every week, I really get to know that neighborhood well, the architectural styles, whether people have dogs or not, whether people are home most often, what kind of finishes they have on the outside of the home, what makes the home shine, what makes a home not shine. And so I really get a really keen look at the neighborhood, the homes, whether they're historic or modern, and I get to see sometimes some really fun decor on the outside of the porches. I love to see porches and how they're decorated. I think it's always fun if a house has a porch. Sometimes modern homes don't have porches, but it's always fun. We're heading into the fall and winter, and it's always fun to see that too. So as always, be safe, be happy, and be home in Idaho. Bye-bye.